along the part line, we just cut it down. Nope. Alright, for today's video, we'll be talking about something blue. It's the blue SE215 limited edition. Okay, we have very common issue with the 215s. Actually, the SHURE models where the nozzles are broken off, and they will need a replacement shell or a replacement nozzle. So, in this video, we actually do have the replacement shells here. They are from Chinese companies. They are knockoff for sure. Okay, first thing we take a look at the differences. The original and the fake. As you can see, the original has it's a more darker paint, and at the back, you see this is not engraved like the higher end models, but you can actually feel the paint, and as you can see, the fake one, the printing is not as good, and of course, when we looking at fake stuff, if you take a look at this area, there should be a batch number somewhere here. You can get the reflection to show it. It's at the tip of my thumb. This place that I'm scratching. There should be a batch number. We cannot see it here. We can see it in this direction. Yeah, so this is the one that we look out for, even for the higher end models. The 215 and all the SHURE model, they actually come in the two-part housing. So it is a front and a back, and the MMCX connector. And also there is something that is holding on to the driver itself. This one, they ensure the seal of the driver and make sure that nothing is moving around. Okay, so how do we open up the SE215? We have old model and the newer models. The newer models are actually easier to open. They use a lot less glue than the normal, the older version. But since we are doing a reshell, we can actually crack it open using force. So, glue tag. How do we do it? Hand knife. Along the part line, we just cut it out. It's very dangerous to work with pen knife in this manner, so keep your hands away. Okay, looks like we didn't manage to make a difference. Okay. This time around we will use a stronger metal. A pair of tweezers. We go along the part line, we try to press it down. Okay, it went in. So you can use force from here. Okay, do note that after some age, the edges of the housing, they will start to split. There's some issue with that's the most common issue. The housing start to split. They start to break down and start to crack too. Okay, when we are doing this, we don't want to damage the drivers because these are original. You can of course get fake drivers and do your own set, but of course no, please do not do that. What we want to retain is the female MMCX connector. Okay, once we free up enough space, we can grab the whole inner housing and pull it out. This is what we want. Okay, if you do not break any wires like us, we have broken the ground wire. The step will be quite simple. We just install it in the new shell and just glue it up. But let's fix up the wire first. Okay, the original gasket is clear in color while the fakes are in blue. This is a telltale sign. I'm not too sure why they choose that color. Maybe it's because of cost. Okay, we take a look at this. Is some foam, acoustic foam that gives pressure and seal to the IEM. And we have here the back gasket that goes inside a slot. Is to push the driver against the sound port. This rounded part will be the one going in the bottom. So let's show you in the actual IEM shell. Okay, we align them to the sound port. Make sure that it's dead center. It's quite easy to align it because the whole piece is round. Okay, and we found that the original doesn't fit in the fake, so we have to remove it and use the fake from now. Get it in dead center and it's nice and tight. So we will install the MMCX connector. It's always the shorter side up. Okay. The stock wires are very prone to breaking, so this always happens. Let's test the fit. Okay, everything fits fine. You can switch up to a new MMCX connector or just retain the old one if there's no issue with it. And we'll be using super glue for this. Okay. We'll prepare our glue piece. So as always, get a needle, apply some of the glue and run it along the sides. And we are done. So we'll do it for both sides and that's it. Hey guys, thanks for watching. If you like our content, please help us to subscribe to the channel. And you can follow us on Instagram and Facebook for more updates. And if you have any comments or on things that you want to know more, you want to learn more, any new videos that you want to see, any questions, do post them in the comments below and I'll try my best to answer everything. So once again, thank you all for watching.